Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Tech here, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of Deepin Linux. So Deepin Linux is number 12 on Distrowatch. So it's a fairly popular Linux distribution, and this is my main distro. So Deepin is a Debian-based distro, and it is an active distribution. New release came out not too long ago, and it is Chinese. So here's the website, and you can also just press the download button and you can download the operating system. So one thing that is not very great about this website is the amount of content on the website. There just isn't a whole lot like on the main page. It doesn't tell you why to get the distro or anything like that. You're gonna have to click through the menus to see all of that. And so right now it's on version 20, and its appearance has changed quite a bit since the last version. So this is the new Deepin desktop, and you can enlarge the menu and have a category view, or you can have it the menu be kind of like GNOME or Mac OS, full screen app tray. I'm going to condense it for now, because this is how it is by default. Okay, so let's go through some of the apps. Deepin does not have an Office app by default. I just got WPS from the Deepin store, and I downloaded Synaptic Package Manager. So it comes with Firefox ESR, not Chrome like the last version, and it has Cheese pre-installed. Deepin Draw. I'll show you some of the apps. So here's the file manager, and it's a very user-friendly Windows or Mac-like file manager, but very well designed and refined, just like all of the native apps that Deepin comes with. Here's the App Store, the Deepin Store, and it comes with all of the hot apps on the top. It shows you all the top ranked apps, and you get everything that you need. You get Firefox Quantum, you get Google Chrome, Steam, and lots of other apps as well. So it's pretty good, but I just like Synaptic because it's a bit more nerd friendly. So anyway, now the photo album. The photo albums design really, the photo albums app design really reminds me of Ubuntu Touch. So Ubuntu Touch has these images, the image thumbnails with rounded corners, and it's a lot like that, and it's very well refined. There's a horrible picture of me, and here are some of the wallpapers. Yeah. So, next is the music app. So, I want to get a copyright strike, so I'll turn that off. So here it is. You get albums, artists, all music, and favorites for the view, and you can add playlists right on the sidebar. And you also get a built-in equalizer to change your sound frequencies. And you can change the thumbnail. You can make it a list view or a thumbnail view. So that's pretty nice. And you can change the sorting, search for songs, let's say Shame. And there's Roy Wood. Oh, what a shame. So, next, calendar app. So it's your simple, basic calendar app. And you can add events, and that's it. That's what a calendar app is. Anyway, basic, but well designed. And I'll say that a lot. So, one thing that has changed from Deepin 19, and it's a very noticeable change, is the control center. So the control center on the previous version of Deepin used to be a sidebar, and it isn't quite as friendly to newcomers. And this OS is designed for newcomers coming from Windows or Mac. So I get why they switched the control panel into this form. Just a simple, basic form. And while we're here, I'll show you some of the ways how you can customize the OS. So you can change your accent color, and that is very nice. You can customize it just as much as you want. And you also have a light theme, auto theme, so it changes your theme based on the time, and just dark theme. So right now I'm on dark theme. I really like that. And you also can change your icons. You can get Papyrus, Bloom, Classic, Bloom Dark. And I think if you go into the files and add icons to the source, I think you can get new icons on here. But I don't really want new icons. I like this icon pack, so yeah. And you can change your cursor theme and your font. So you can make it bigger, smaller, and you can change it. It's the system-wide font. So if you'll notice on the window borders and throughout everything, the fonts have changed. So this is not the default font, but you can choose through all sorts of different ones. And that's quite nice. So, how about the Movies app? Because why not? Double-click to play a movie. And you get a terminal, text editor, and here's the terminal. Once again, it's very simple with curved edges. Deepin used to have sharp edges on version 19, and that has changed quite a bit. They've really changed their design philosophy, although it still is just as beautiful. And you have your calculator. See the curved edges. You'll see this on pretty much every app that comes, every native app. Your window switcher. And if you right click on the taskbar, you can change the status. You can keep it hidden, smart hide. You can take away your plugin. So let's say I don't want multitasking view for some reason. You can take that away. Although I like multitasking view. I'll keep it there, because why not? And yeah, so that's Deepin. And it also comes with a partition editor, all of that stuff. Also, I downloaded Krita and GIMP, so none of that stuff was really pre-installed, and Firefox ESR is pre-installed instead of Chrome, unlike Deepin 19. Also, a built-in screen recording app, and I'm using that to capture this video right now. Another thing is the tablet-like interface. So if you're using a Surface Pro or any other Windows tablet, you can just press on the on-screen keyboard, and it brings it up. So it's a nice and tablet-friendly user interface. And if you just enlarge the menu, like I showed you previously, it can make this a pretty nice UI for a tablet, pretty touch-friendly. So that's nice. And yeah, so that's about it for Deepin. Thanks for watching. The notification panel. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this, for Deepin. So yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for sitting through my boring voice. Cheers.